Oh my gosh, being really bad. As long as we split it.
Weren't we meant to split it? What's
Oh my-
this? Crumbs. What, you ate most of the pie?
On the cookie monster. Don't hold it against